In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add days to a date in Smartsheet so you can automatically calculate deadlines, due dates, and project timelines with a simple formula. To get started, make sure your sheet contains a date column with your starting dates and another column where you want the new calculated dates to appear. Both columns should be set to the date column type. Next, click into the cell where you want the updated date to display. Type an equal sign, select the original date cell, add a plus sign, and then enter the number of days you want to add. For example, if you want to add 20 days, your formula will look like this: equals start date at row plus 20. Press enter and Smartsheet will automatically calculate the new date based on the original date plus the number of days you specified. If you need to apply the same calculation to multiple rows, simply convert the formula into a column formula or drag the formula down through the rest of your sheet. Smartsheet will automatically adjust the references for each row. This is a quick and effective way to manage project schedules, calculate due dates, and keep timelines up to date without manually counting days. That's how to add days to a date in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.